Friends, in my previous video I discussed the example based on joint probability distribution. Now we discuss one more example, the joint distribution of x and y is given as these are x values, these are y values, and these are its joint probability values. Now compute first one, expectation of x, expectation of y, second one expectation of xy, third one standard deviation of x and y, that is sigma x sigma y, fourth one covariance of xy, and fifth one correlation of xy. From the previous example we have how to find the marginal distribution, that is first we need to find that marginal distribution to compute remaining values. Therefore, the marginal distribution of x and y is follows as first we write x values and y values as it is, and marginal distribution, that is only the sum of row values. Therefore, x is 1, x is 5. Therefore, now f of xi, that is sum of first row is 1.8 plus 1.4 plus 1.8, will get it as 1 by 2. 1 by 8, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, will get it as 1 by 2. Next, second row, that is 5, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 8, the sum is 1 by 2. Similarly, for marginal distribution of y value is minus 4, 2, 7. Now, the sum of column values, that is first row minus 4, its sum is 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4, will get 3 by 8. Next, second column 2, then sum is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. By taking LCM, will get the value 3 by 8. Next, third column 7, 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, and again by simplifying will get 1 by 4. These are the marginal distribution value of x and y. Now we need to compute expectation of x and y, that is expectation of x. We have the formula summation of xi into f of xi, that is x1 into f of x1, x2 into f of x2. Therefore, x1 into f of x1 plus x2 into f of x2 will get the 3. Similarly, expectation of y, that is yj, sum of yj into g of yj, that is minus 4 into 3 by 8 plus 2 into 3 by 8 plus 7 into 1 by 4, will get the value 1. Now, expectation of xy, we have the formula summation of xi yj into jij. From the table we can write this: x value, y value, and its probability value, that is x is 1, y is minus 4, and its probability value is 1 by 2. Next, x is 1, y is 2, its probability value is 1 by 4. X is 1, y is 7, its probability value is 1 by 8, plus x is 5, y is minus 4, its probability value is 1 by 4, plus x is 5, y is 2, and its probability value is 1 by 8, plus x is 5, y is 7, its probability value is, and by simplifying we will get the answer 3 by 2. Now we need to find standard deviation of x and standard deviation of y, but before that we need to find variance. Therefore, sigma x square, which is equal to the formula expectation of x square minus mu x whole square. We have the formula for expectation x square is xi square into f of xi minus mu x square. Already we have mu, that is expectation of x3. Only we need to find the summation of xi square into f of xi, that is x1 square into f of x1 plus x2 square into f of x2, will get 13 minus this mu x, that is expectation of x is 3, its square is 9, will get the answer 4. But we want sigma x, therefore take the square root will get 2. Now we want sigma y, but we need to find sigma y square, that is variance of y. We have the formula expectation of y square minus mu y square, that is expectation of y. Already we have this value, only we need to find yj whole square, summation of yj whole square into g of yj. We have y values and g of yj values. For this we need to take the square of y values and by multiplying g of yj then add, that is minus 4 whole square into 3 by 8 plus 2 whole square into 3 by 8 plus 7 whole square into 1 by 4 will get the answer 79 by 4 minus mu y, that is expectation of y is 1, its square is 1. Therefore by simplifying 75 by 4 will get answer. This is sigma y square, but we want sigma y. Therefore sigma y, let's take the square root of the above value, will get 4.33. Now covariance of x y. We have the formula expectation of xy minus mu x mu y, that is expectation of x, expectation of y. Expectation of x y is 3 by 2 minus mu x is 3, mu y is 1, mu y is 1. By simplifying we'll get minus 3 by 2. Now the last one is correlation of xy. Correlation of xy is defined as, that is in the formula we have covariance of xy divided by sigma x sigma y. We have all the values. Covariance of xy is minus 3 by 2, sigma x is 2, sigma y is 4.33. By simplifying we'll get minus 0.1732. Now we consider one more example. The joint probability distribution for x and y is follows as x values 1 3, y values minus 3, minus 2, 4, and its probability values are given as 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, 0.3, 0.1, 0.1. Find marginal distribution of x and y, covariance of x and y, and correlation of x and y. Here to find covariance of x and y, we need to find expectation of x, expectation of y, and expectation of xy, and for correlation we need to find sigma x sigma y. For that first we need to find variance of x and y. Now solution. First we need to find marginal distribution of x and y. Already from the previous example we know how to find. First write the value x values, xi, that is 1 3, and y values yj, that is minus 3, minus 2, 4. Next f of xi, that is sum of first row and sum of second row values. First row is 1, that is 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, sum is 0.5. Second row sum is 0.3, 0.1, 0.1, that is 0.5. Now g of yj, that is column sum. First column minus 3 and sum is 0.1 plus 0.3, that is 0.4. Next 0.2 plus 0.3, 0.2 plus 0.1, 0.3. Then the last column 0.2 plus 0.1, that is 0.3. Now to find covariance and correlation we need to find expectation of x, expectation of y, expectation of xy, and sigma x sigma y. Therefore expectation of x, that is mu x, which is equal to, we have the formula summation xi into f of xi, that is some multiplication of x into f of x and adding will get x1 into f of x1 plus x2 into f of x2, we get 2. Similarly expectation of y, that is mu y, which is equal to summation yj into g of y, that is multiplication of y and g of y value, then adding minus 3 into 0.4 plus minus 2 into 0.3 plus 4 into 0.3 will get minus 0.6. Now we need to find expectation of xy, that is sum of xi, yj, and jij. From the previous examples, x, y and its Jij values, x, y its Jij value plus 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 x, y its Jij value. By adding all these values, we will get minus 2. Now we need to find sigma. For that we need to find sigma x square. Therefore sigma x square equal to expectation of x square minus mu x square. We have the formula for sigma expectation of x square is summation x I square into f of xi minus this, already we have mu x square value. Expectation of x square is, that is, summation of xi square into f of xi. From the marginal distribution, take the square of x values and multiplying to f of x, that is x1 square into f of x1 plus x2 square into f of x2. Then we have the value 5 minus mu x value is 2 and its square is 4. Therefore we have the value sigma x square value is 1, but we want sigma x, therefore take the square root, sigma x equal to 1. Similarly we need to find sigma y, but first we need to find sigma y square. Therefore the formula is expectation of y square minus mu y square. Already we have mu y square value, only we need to find expectation of y square, that is the formula summation yj square into g of yj, that is take the square of y values and multiply to g of yj, then add, we'll get these values, that is y1 square into g of y1 plus y2 square into g of y2 plus y3 square into g of y3, and by adding we'll get one value. By adding and taking the square of this minus 0.6 and simplifying, we'll get the value 9.24, and taking the square root, sigma y is 3.0397. Next we need to find covariance of xy, that is expectation of xy minus mu x into mu y, which is equal to our value. We have the value expectation of xy is minus 2 minus mu x is 2 and mu y is minus 0.6. Simplifying, we'll get minus 0.8. The last one, correlation of xy, that is we have the formula covariance of xy divided by sigma x sigma y. Substituting the values and simplifying, we'll get minus 0.2632.